Mitsubishi Heavy Industries Group is a global leader in manufacturing and engineering. Our headquarters in Japan, Mitsubishi Heavy Industries Engine and Turbocharger Limited, has been proudly supplying diesel engines, gas engines, and turbochargers to customers worldwide. Their integrated management system harnessing technical capabilities to meet customer demands from development to after-sales service. Since 1981, Mitsubishi Heavy Industries Engine System Asia and Singapore excels in providing top-quality power solutions with reliable engine and generator sets. The company's dedication extends to exceptional support, encompassing engineering, manufacturing, installation, after-sales servicing, and spare parts for customers in the Asia-Pacific region. MHI Engine System Vietnam, a subsidiary of MHI-ESA, expands the reach of Mitsubishi Generator Series through exceptional sales support, comprehensive after-sales services, and advanced manufacturing in Vietnam. MHI-ESA excels in the efficient production of thousands of cutting-edge generator sets. Mitsubishi Diesel Generator Series MGSR is designed and built with all top-notch capabilities and all-in-one series for diverse applications. This series emphasized sustainability and longevity. Mitsubishi Gas Generator Series supports energy efficiency, mitigates climate impact, and ensures sustainable, cost-effective business operations. Every MHI marine engine has been purpose-designed for marine use for a multitude of applications, manufactured with utmost precision and expertise. MHI marine engines meet the highest standards utilizing state-of-the-art facilities. Mitsubishi's genuine spare parts and services ensure peak performance, longevity, and reliability of your engine and generator set. Our expansive network stretches across Asia, connecting and servicing customers with extensive reach and dedicated support. We constantly strive for excellence in our operations and technology, with service without borders. At Mitsubishi Heavy Industries Group, we channel big thinking into solutions that move the world forward.